Mahagsay and mabuhay, a pleasant day to everyone. So today we're gonna tackle about manipulative information and media. Definition, characteristics, and sources. Manipulate means to handle, manage, or influence something or someone skillfully. Although to manipulate may be used to create order, it can also be done unfairly, which will only favor one side. Meanwhile, information is quite a broad term. Information can cover data, knowledge derived from different studies, experiences, or instructions, and even signals or symbols. Information sources can come from virtually anywhere. These are in the form of books, journals, magazines, and even through personal experiences expressed in blogs, videos, web pages, and many more. So, kaning information, magikan ni siya bisag asa. Like for example, sa kanang research na to, di ba, og mag-find na tawag kanang RRL or kanang mga proof nga, pruweba nga kaning atong research is kuha ni siya kaning reliable. Ngita di ba to sa Google? Kita di ba to sa Google, no? Kana siya, information gihapon na siya, kaya nagkuha mong tagikan sa kaning web. Kaya naman po dali web pages. The media world often uses information to describe knowledge or specific events or situations that has been collected or perceived through communication, intelligence, or news. Therefore, manipulative information is the type of information that can be handled, managed, or influenced by something or someone skillfully for advantage or disadvantage of something or someone. Manipulative information, handle lagi na siya sa katao. For example, sa kanang mga news sa TV, kaning pag naay isa ka tao nga moduol sa kaning anchor baron or sa management like mingon siya nga bayaran ta kaging ani basta ang ako ang image lang dira nga ibutang mo si mo report is good. So kana siya makuha na siya nga nang manipulate na siya kay bad man niyang image niya pag-abot sa TV kay ni good kay gibayaran man niyang isa ka anchor o isa ka management. Media is defined as the combination of physical objects used for communication or mass communication through physical objects such as radio, television, computers, or film. It can also be the means of communication or a group of people working together in the field of radio and television broadcastings, newspapers, magazine, and or the internet that reaches or influences people widely. Media, as it is supposed to be, are sources of credible information wherein content are provided through an editorial process determined by journalistic values attributed to an organization or a legal person. Media manipulation is the strategy used by advertising or marketing firms to manipulate information in favor of a client who wants to promote their product or service. Through media manipulation, a firm can create an image or argument which will favor their client using propaganda techniques and suppression information which can widely influence the people. In media manipulation, like for example no sa kanang mga advertisement sa TV, as we can see, ang mga products sa kuan is nindot kay siya tanawon like sa mga burgers, takam na takam kay ka magtanaw sa iya ha. Pero kana siya gigamit na siya as a technique para kagaton sa mga viewers, sa mga buyers para kusog kay ilahang kanang kita, kusog to ilang product. Various research agreed that TV advertisements have a positive influence on the consumer's buying behavior. So, some firms use manipulative information to convince the consumers to buy the product of their client. Some of these firms are 1. Marketing firm or ad agency. They generate sales of goods and services and directly contribute to the company's profitability. 2. Public relations or PR firm. They coordinate relationships through the media with various publicities in order to gain public acceptance and approval of the client's activity. B. Format and types. Manipulative information in media can be formally and informally produced, organized, and disseminated through different types and formats. The following are the different kinds of media manipulation. 1. Consumer confusion. Description. Consumer confusion is the state of mind of the consumers during purchasing products that leads them to having lack of confidence towards their purchasing decision. So here's the example. 2 brands of shampoo. Buy 10 plus 1 or buy 10 plus free mug promo. 2 brands of detergent. Buy one take one or buy one get one free. 2. Crowd manipulation. Description. Crowd manipulation is the intentional use of principles and techniques of crowd psychology. Example strategies used by advertising firms from crowd manipulation. Hide random people who attest to the efficacy of the product. False survey result or testimonies to convince the consumer the benefits of the product. 3. Propaganda. It is the information or idea that an advertising firm can release using different forms of media which can help the image of their client and adversely affect the image of his opponent. Example, showing the charity work done by the client while exposing the opponent's lush fund. 4. Gatekeeping. Gatekeeping is the type of manipulation where information is being filtered for dissemination, whether for publication, broadcasting, the internet, or some other mode of communication. The public is informed with only a portion of the truth for different kinds of purposes. Example, during a gas leak accident in a condominium, only few casualties are mentioned to protect the owner of the condominium. Number two example, during a terrorist attack, the strategy of the soldiers to rescue the hostages are not disclosed to the public for security and protection purposes. Number five, celebrity endorsements. This is the use of celebrities as endorsers of a certain product or service who will attest to its effectiveness and good quality. Example, Chris Aquino, the queen of all media, was named top celebrity endorser by Yes magazine because of her credibility and gift of gab. She endorses a lot of products and services, which includes brands of bake shop, textiles, juices, canned goods, shampoo, telecom, feminine wash, and many more. 6. Hoax. This is use of manipulative information with intents to deceive or defraud the public. Example, in 2015, Peter Oniken and Diana Lowell, a pair of documentary filmmakers from Germany, and John Bohannon, a biologist and science journalist based at Harvard, tricked millions of people into believing chocolate could help them lose weight. 7. Psychological manipulation. This is used by advertising agencies which aim to influence and affect the public's belief, emotion, motives, and or reasoning towards a certain product, service, or situation. For example, an advertising agency highlights the slimming components of the juice product, thus creating a higher demand for that product with slimming components and the premise that being slim is better. Number 8. Fear-mongering or scaremongering. It is the dissemination of frightening and exaggerated rumors of an imminent danger or the tactic of purposely and needlessly aiming to instill fear to the public. Example, if the news exaggerated the power of Abu Sayyaf, penetrated Luzon, and risked planting bombs in malls, there would be a decline of people going to malls and even other public places. C. Advantages and limitation advantages of manipulative information. It can boost the image of a person, product, or services. It can filter the information that would be disseminated to the public. It can provide a sense of control and order when it comes to the kind and amount of information to be publicized. Limitation of manipulative information. It can be biased and or subjective to protect the image of a person, product, or services. It can mislead the facts and conceal sensitive issues. It can hide the truth that the public has the rights to know. Value of manipulative information and media. 1. Motive or purpose. It is important to identify the cause or the purpose why a particular group employed it. Example, a general information was released to inform the public regarding disaster preparedness in case a disaster like flood or earthquake happens. Good motive or purpose. A TV commercial was released to create a good image to a political candidate and to convince the public to vote for them, even if they do not have the integrity and good intentions to run for position. Bad motive or purpose. Number 2, degree of influence or impact. It is the extent on how the manipulation information can produce effects on the actions, behavior, and or opinion of the public. Some advertising and public relations firms engage in manipulation to increase the degree of influence or impact to the public. Example, if the general information release for disaster preparedness is misinterpreted, the public might panic, which will produce a negative impact despite the good motive or purpose. Some commercials, like those involving cigarettes and liquor, can influence people to consume things that could be potentially dangerous to their health. It can also influence young people to try it too. So that's it. Thank you for listening.